So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to take off this gasket here, and it holds the transmission fluid in its place. It's leaking. I repaired the gasket on the front here for the drive shaft for the wheels. And now after that, what happened was about a month later, these gaskets started to drip. The wheels were very difficult to take off because they were seized on, because this machine had been sitting outside for about 7 years. And there's plenty of videos online to show you how to take the wheels off. So let's get started and take this old gasket out. If you need it, there's a part number. That's what it looks like there. And it's going to go right back on there. So before we throw it on, you just want to get a little quick sand. I already sanded it a bit. Sand it up a little bit. Wipey woo. White, just to make sure. Looks pretty good. Slide the new one on. And the trick is keep it tight because it's a different size. Tap one side, move it over, tap the other. Make sure it's on. A little bit on this side. Just want to make sure it's flush mounted. And I'll do a little more on the top just to be safe. Pretty good. Now, before you put the tire on, though, you want to put a little bit of lubricant of some sort. These are the cotter pins that are, I don't know if these are called cotter pins, but anyway, these go in here, and these are what's going to lock the tire in place. I'll show you in a second. Before you put the tire on, we're going to use some brake lubricant, and this is just to lubricate the shaft here so it doesn't seize up on us again. I'm not going to go crazy with it, we're just going to put it where the tire's going to sit, just so it's lubricated. And at the beginning of the season and the end of the season, you just want to move the tire about so it doesn't seize up on you, and re-lubricate it. Probably is a good idea as well. Okay. And we'll just line up the holes. And there you go. That locks them in place. And that's how you replace the what's that called? An oil gasket, seal gasket for the transmission, for the wheels. The other side's exactly the same. That's it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.